Hi viewers, so today we will be drawing this object. All the dimensions they are given in millimeter and this X shows different view. So let us start drawing this object now. So click on file, click on new, click on AutoCAD ISO 3D. Now we will draw this geometry in the top view and then we will try to extrude this object. At the end we will be drawing these holes as well on this side. So click on top view. Now in this top view we have to draw these objects, so click on line, click anywhere in this direction, give the value of 15, enter. So this is the line that we have drawn. Let me turn on the LWT option. Now in this direction the width is 60, enter. Again 15, enter. In this direction, because there is a 10 mm gap, the total is 60, so we are left with 50 divided by 225. So in this direction give the value of 25, enter, then 10, enter, and then 25 again, enter. Press escape. Click on line again and bring the cursor over to this middle point. Click, and now in this direction give the value of 60, enter. Press enter. Click on circle icon, click on this endpoint, and now give the radius of 20. Press enter. Click, give the value of 30, enter. Now use offset command, so click on this object, click on offset, the distance should be 5, enter. Click on this side, then click on this same object, click on this below side, press escape. Now click on this middle line, click on copy, select this endpoint, bring the cursor over to this quadrant and this quadrant as well, press escape. Remove this object. Now use trim command, so tr, enter. Click on this object, these two lines and this portion as well. Press escape. Click on line, bring the cursor over to this center point, click, and now in this direction give the value of 75, enter again. Now we have to draw two circles. Click on circle, click on this endpoint and give the radius of 25, enter. Press enter again. Click on this same endpoint and this time give the radius of 10, enter. Click on this line, click on copy, select this point, bring the cursor over to this quadrant, click, and this quadrant as well, click. Press escape. Again use trim command, so tr, enter. Click over here and over here as well. Press escape. Click on this line and press delete. Now write tr, enter, and bring the cursor over to this area, and because this is a separate line or line segment, we have to remove this. We cannot trim this object, so press escape, click on this object and press delete. Now the top view is almost complete except this triangle. So for now click on this SE isometric icon. Now use press pull, so click on this press pull icon, bring the cursor over to this area and click, and in this direction this height should be 45, so 45, enter. Now click on press pull again, this time bring the cursor over to this area, click, and in the upward direction give the value of 15, enter. Now use trim command, so click on trim, bring the cursor and click over this line and this line as well, press enter. Now click on this semicircle, click on press pull, bring the cursor over to this area, click. Now this time you have to go in the negative direction and give the value of 15, enter. Use orbit, and this time click on press pull, bring the cursor over to this area, click, and in the upward direction give the value of 15, enter. Press escape. Now we have to go to this isometric view, not this one, we have to go to this view, select the bottom view, so click over this icon in this view, let's go to view, 3D views, plane view and current UCS. Now the object looks okay to us. Click on circle, bring the cursor over to this circle and click over this point. Now select this isometric view, use orbit, click, and now we can use press pull. So click on press pull, bring the cursor over to this circular area, click, and now in this direction give the value of 15, enter. Now we will try to delete the circle, press delete. All the objects, they are complete now. Click on top view, click on front view, click on right side view. So there are some extra objects here. For that we will use the union command to union these 3D objects and then move them to a side. So click on this union icon, click onto this object, this object, this object, this object and this object. Press enter. Now click on the object, click on move, click anywhere and move the object to a side. Press escape. Now delete these objects. Again click on top view. And now in the front view we will try to draw this triangle. So for that click on this isometric view, zoom in. Now let us go to top view. Again we will try to draw a circle. Click on this circle, click on the center point and click. Now click on line, click from the center point, click outside, press escape. Now we will use TR, so TR, enter, enter. Click on this object, press escape. Now use this line command, click on this quadrant, move the cursor in this direction and write 5, enter. Again move in this direction, write 2, enter. Press escape. Now we have got this intersection. We will use trim command, so TR, enter, enter. Click on this line and remove this line as well. Now click on this line and extend this line. We can press tab and write 1, enter. So this is 1 unit length. Now we will try to extend this line up to a length of 25. So click on this line, extend this with a value of 24, enter. So the total length of this line is 25. Press escape. And now we have to draw a line in the front view. So click on this line, click on this endpoint, move in this direction, and now give the value of 45, enter. Now move in this direction and write the value of 25, enter. So we have got that intersection, and now we can join these two lines, and now we can draw this hypotenuse. Click, press escape. Now click on this line and this line, press delete. Now make a region. So click on region, click on this line and this line. Press enter. Now click on extrude, click on this triangle, press enter. In this direction give the value of 10, enter. Now visualize this object in the top view. Click on top view icon. We can see that this intersection is correct. So now we will try to union this object with the previous objects. So click on union, click on this object, click on this object, press enter. Now use orbit. So click on orbit, and try to find any discrepancy if it's there. Click on top view, so this object looks complete. Click on front view and then click on right side view. Now click on this 3D hidden visual style, click on SE isometric view. We can go to layer, LA enter, select the color of the layer is white color, click on OK, click on OK. Let's turn off this LWT. So now we have to draw two circles on this side. So this is the left side view. So now click on this isometric view, this side. So at this side we have to draw the circles. For that, click on circle, bring the cursor over to this corner and draw a circle of diameter 16. So D enter, 16 enter. So in order to move this circle, click on the circle, click on this center point, move in this direction and write the value of 15, enter. Now again click on this center of the circle, move in this direction and this distance should be 12.5. You can go in this direction as well. So write minus 12.5, press enter. So now this circle is placed correctly. Click on copy, click this circle, press enter, select this center as a base point and now move in this direction and or in this direction as well, in the negative direction. If there is no tracking on the other side, you can go in the negative direction and write the value in the negative form. So the distance between the centers will be 35. So write 35 and also minus 35 actually. So press enter, press escape. Now the circles, they are placed correctly. Now we have to click on this conceptual visual style, click on press pull, bring the cursor over to this circle, click and now move the cursor in this direction and click. You can see that a hole is generated over here. Do the same thing again, click on this press pull icon, bring the cursor over to this circle, click and then click again. So the two holes, they are generated. We can check the object in the top view, front view, right side view, left side view, isometric views, and now this shows that the object is complete in all aspects. In another video we will discuss how we can perform dimensioning and how we can add the center lines at various positions. There are tutorials available on this object, but they usually make a mistake over here. In the diagram we can see that the 25 length is given from this corner, right? So from this corner this is 25. They usually take this 25 value from the center point, which is wrong. So I hope you have learned something. If you still have any questions or any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.